Welcome to Digital Investment. So I've got a greatest news on the one of the shittiest company where we call it was supposed to be the next Tesla, which was supposed to be the next Tesla, but instead got called the next MSTR. Well, they came up with another plan to lure investors. Bhavish Agarwal has worked 8 hours on this. It's worked 8 hours on this, and it on its uh, and this has led to the stock pumping for almost 5%. Oh my god! Oh my god! He is doing everything. Bhavish Agarwal is doing everything in its power to prevent Tesla to what? Sorry, not Tesla. Tesla actually has good performing products to prevent Ola being bankrupt. Ola is preparing its rapidly expanding quick commerce and gig workers. So basically, what this article said was, Ola electric scooter will be now be providing scooter facilities, uh, to its gig worker. Of course, he has to do that. Of course, he has to do that. He has to do that because his market share customers are frustrated with his products. His market share in two-wheeler EV segment has completely crashed out. If you look at Ather, I'm waiting for a good price opportunity to buy right now. It is trading at a very high premium. It is trading at a very high premium. I'm waiting for a price opportunity to catch up and go in. But this is, I do not care if it's an I do not care if it is an EV unless the fundamentals don't match. I do not buy. I do not buy. Of course, I would trade this stock, but I wouldn't trade it. Invest in Ather, because his fundamentals are bad. And Ather has captured the two-wheeler EV segment. But when you come to EV, he lost his customer. He lost his market share. He needs something to satisfy his investors. That is why he has entered into OLA electric mobility. That too, he may what seems like a city, he may enter partnership. Revenue is down. His revenue is dying yearly. If you look at it, his debt is also increasing. If you debt is also increasing yearly, he needs to do something. Bhavish Agarwal, to prevent it being a hype like MSTR, which is in US stock market. So that is why. Uh, uh, I wouldn't invest. I was actually thinking of investing in this company. But thank God I saved myself from investing in this stupid company, because it logs in more customer complaints than more actual profits. Why not? If you want to buy Ether itself, if you can tolerate the amount of if you want to buy proper EV two-wheeler who's actually producing good market share, but you want to speculate on this, you want to do some speculative investments. If you want to do, go with Ether, okay, but be careful. There are more downside risk. I am waiting for a perfect price entry at 200, 300. That's when I'll actually consider buying more shares. Okay, little bit of I'll start adding around 300. Being this is a speculative investment, then I would consider neither. Uh, Here right now we may see when it reaches above 1000. Generally in India, stocks crashes after 1000. So we may see some form of VCs exiting, is early investors, promoters exiting, then I would go all in. Then I would go in around 300. When it starts crashing even more, I'll start adding more, and that is why is my plan with Ether Energy. But this stupid company, this has got market share. Now it captured the market share. He has to do something to satisfy his investors. He's losing, his company is dying, his company is producing negative numbers, his company is dying, revenue is dying, customers are abandoning his product. You no longer see Ather scooters in road now. And now coming to my another topic of the video. Now I have entered a long into this crypto called Drift. It is based on Solana, and when Solana I think Ethereum, it is based on Ethereum. When I place my orders in here, if it starts catching up, it is consolidating and then quick price up and then down. Let's see if it I'm waiting for it to reach more downside order here. So I have placed, because what I'm about to share, uh, Bitcoin is slowly oh, it's down now. It's down. Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin is down. Okay, it's okay. I have a very small long position. Crude oil, what I wanted to say was crude oil was rising, and we saw this exception at tourist, right? Now we started to form a lower high, and Iran and US have reached another trade deal. I don't know how long this is going to be happening. Until this is going to be happening until Iran backs up from its uh, trade deal. Yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.